this case considered the issue of the timing of allowable deductions and whether or not a payment made in instalments to a manager to terminate his employment was deductible in one financial year, even though the instalments continued over 2 financial years. In this case, a company decided to terminate the employment of one of its managers and to pay him a sum of money in consideration for cancelling his employment. The company paid this amount of money in instalments spanning 2 financial years, but claimed the deduction of the whole amount against its assessable income in the first financial year. The Commissioner argued that the expenses were not deductible, on the basis that they were not laid out for the purpose of producing assessable income and were simply paid for the purposes of reducing further expenditure. Alternatively, the Commissioner argued that the expenses should be spread over the 2 years in the proportions actually paid during these years. However, the company argued that it was incurred in the course of its business and should be deductible. The central issue for the court, therefore, was firstly, if they were incurred in the production of income, and secondly, if the whole amount was deductible in the first financial year. The court ultimately held that the expenses